Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 Multiair engine, guys, and you have like a noise rattle on cold start, guys, when the engine is cold, or you haven't started it for a few hours, you start it and you hear a rattle noise and then maybe it disappears, maybe it stays, guys. You have two options: it's on all the time or it just stays on for a couple seconds and then it's gone. Stay with us, we'll explain what can cause that now. These guys could be caused by a timing chain tensioner that's wore out, and we will explain that in just a second. In order to replace it, guys, you do not have to remove your engine. You can do it in the vehicle, but why we have the engine out? Because we have more than 100 videos probably on that engine, guys, and we can show you with a great detail how to do things, where the bolts are and all that stuff. And if the engine is in the vehicle, it's practically impossible. In addition, more than 200 videos will be made on every car we get at the shop. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let us explain now, okay, what we're talking about here and what needs to be done. If you want to see the whole video from start to finish, how to replace the tensioner, guys, it is on the channel from start to finish. Longer video, but definitely doable, not very complicated. So what happens now, guys? Okay, this is your timing chain here. You have two chains, one for the camshaft, one for the oil pump and the balance shaft on the bottom. This tensioner is for the oil pump and the balance shaft. This one is not a hydraulic, I think it's just spring-loaded tensioner. It's easy. Usually doesn't have so much pressure on it, so it doesn't go bad so often. But this is the one that's really important, guys, right here. And always, guys, I'll recommend to replace both at the same time, and I'll definitely even recommend to replace the timing chain when you replace the tensioner. Why? Because if the tensioner is bad, probably the chain has somewhere, even though it's a short chain and it's hard for it to jump, but you can definitely, guys, hear noise when the tensioner wears out. This is a hydraulic tensioner, and what happens, okay, you have teeth here, guys, okay, and if that tooth gets wore out here, it's not going to hold constant pressure on the tensioner when the engine is off. When the engine turns back on, it will build oil pressure and it will kick it out, and that's why you will stop hearing the noise sometimes. But when you turn the engine off for a few hours, that oil pressure will decrease and the tensioner will go back, because that tooth will not be holding, or if it does it all the time, it's losing pressure, the tensioner, okay, cannot hold pressure and it's malfunctioning, and that could happen as well. So what do you need to do now, guys? Okay, we're going to go ahead and remove it now, okay, and show you how soft this tensioner is too. Okay, so let's do that quick. Okay, guys, this is the tensioner, okay, right here. Now the tooth I'm talking about, okay, let me just reposition here to show you. This tooth, if it wears out, sometimes it will not hold, or this little teeth as well here, and it will just move. You see, it's supposed to, like, when you turn your engine off, it's supposed to press and hold to the position that it stays at, but if it's wore out, what will happen? It will just slide back. Okay, it will just slide, guys, back, and as a result, okay, you're going to lose pressure. You can see where it gets oil and all that stuff as well right here, guys. So definitely, guys, okay, you can see that thing is full with oil here. Okay, this is the oil hole right here. This is full with oil, so definitely driven by the oil pressure. So you can see that could be the reason for it, guys. If you want to see how to do it from start to finish, we'll have the video on the channel. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.